Hello everyone, I am Miss Sonam and today we are going to learn about opposite words. So let's get started. Come, go. Come, go. Up, down. Up, down. One, many. One, many. Less, more. Less, more. Hard, easy. Hard, easy. Left, right. Left, right. Wet, dry. Wet, dry. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Summer, winter. Summer, winter. Thick, thin. Thick, thin. Long, short. Long, short. Fast, slow. Fast, slow. Day, night. Day, night. Dark, light. Dark, light. Hard, soft. Hard, soft. Open, closed. Open, close. Light, heavy. Light, heavy. In, out. In, out. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.